Hi there. Have you ever felt sluggish, drained, or unmotivated? Well, your solution is here. Lightning Bolt energy drinks. My name is Kiana Samoy, and I am the CEO and founder of Lightning Bolt Energy Drinks. What is Lightning Bolt? Lightning Bolt is a startup based in Los Angeles, California. What is inside of an ice cold can of Lightning Bolt energy drinks? You're going to see a sugar-free and delicious energy drink where cane sugar is replaced with a sugar substitute so it doesn't spike insulin levels. Each can contains around 350 to 500 milligrams of caffeine per serving. The caffeine content is adjusted in three varieties that we offer. Our three products are Thunderstorm, All Nighter, and Electricity. Thunderstorm is perfect for really motivated athletes and perfect for competition days and high intensity workouts. And this product contains 500 milligrams of caffeine. Next, we have All Nighter, which is perfect for the average college student looking to stay up all night, study for an exam. And this will have about 425 milligrams of caffeine. And finally, we have Electricity, which is created for the average person to give them a little pep in their step to start their day off. And this has about 350 milligrams of caffeine. Next, I just wanted to showcase our aluminum can design. This sleek and modern can design is eye-catching to consumers. It has a light blue aluminum contrasting with the yellow lightning bolt, which is easy on the eyes and really brings in consumers. Lightning Bolt's mission is to fuel ambitious people who seek to push the abilities of mankind. Our vision is to add a rush of adrenaline to daily life by catering to the needs of athletes, college students, and those looking to push boundaries. As a small startup, we face many problems, but the largest one we face is competition from other well-established companies. In this pie chart, I uh, compiled the top energy drink companies in the United States. Red Bull makes up 40% of the sales, while Rockstar and Monster make up 28% of the sales each. And 4% of sales in the United States are from other companies, other less known companies. And a solution to this is a marketing tactic created by Lightning Bolt Energy Drink. And to the left, we're going to be with social media. On May 1st, our website will launch along with our Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. And then in summer of 2020, our campaign will launch. As we move on to build up our name more, we're going to start off in our college campuses, where hired ambassadors will distribute drinks on campus, especially during finals week. Everyone will get free lightning bolt, and we will have tables set up outside of the libraries, lecture halls, and just common walkways for students. And then finally, we will be sponsoring NCAA teams. Moving on from colleges, once we have a name established for ourselves, um, we will be setting up booths at the LA Coliseum, sponsor more March Madness teams, and promote our products at the X Games. And then finally, moving up a tier, we're going to be introducing our marketing to influencers such as Emma Chamberlain, who is famous on YouTube, Kai Lenny, who is famous with extreme sports, and Sharif O'Neal, the son of Shaquille O'Neal, for college basketball. So this slide is the influencers and cost for sponsored ads. The way I calculated this was the amount of followers, based on the amount of followers, their influence as a whole, how previous audiences have received their message. So that's how these numbers are calculated. So one Instagram post by Emma Chamberlain will be about $15,000. An Instagram and Snapchat story post will be about $7,000. Next, we have Sharif O'Neal. An Instagram post would be $7,000. Instagram story post $4,000, and Snapchat $1,500. And then finally, we have Kai Lenny. An Instagram post will cost the company about $3,000. An Instagram story would be $1,500, and then finally, a Snapchat would be $500. And I would just like to put out there if you have any questions or would like me to review anything, you are free to contact me at 818-677-1200 and email me at kianasamoy.30@mycsun.edu.